So hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today's video is gonna be a very quick one. I just wanted to share with you my last flat where I lived before moving back home and how it looks like. So if you are moving newly to Qatar or planning to come to Qatar Doha, you can have a quick idea on what to expect and what kind of flat are available. So this is the last one where I lived, and I think I have some shots of other flats where I lived as well. So if I find it, I'll share it with you as well, and let me know what you think and enjoy watching. Bye bye.